Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to tap into the booming world of online grocery shopping? Do you dream of owning your own grocery store website? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a successful grocery store website business. From market research to website development and effective marketing strategies, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. How to start a grocery store website business. Segment 1, Market Research. Before you can start your grocery store website, you need to understand your target market. Market research is the foundation of your business's success. Let's break it down. Identifying your niche. What type of groceries will you sell on your website? Are you focusing on organic products, local produce, or a wide range of items? Competitor analysis. Who are your competitors, and what are they doing right or wrong? Learn from their strengths and weaknesses. Customer persona. Create a detailed customer persona. What are your customers' preferences, needs, and pain points? Pricing strategy. What pricing model will you follow? Competitive, premium, or budget-friendly? Legal requirements. Research the legalities involved in selling groceries online. Permits, licenses, and regulations vary by location. Segment 2, Website Development. Now that you have a clear understanding of your market, it's time to build your online grocery store. Your website is your digital storefront. Let's get started. Choosing a domain name. Select a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Website design. Opt for an appealing, user-friendly design. Use high-quality images and clear navigation. E-commerce platform. Decide on the e-commerce platform that suits your needs. WooCommerce, Shopify, or Magento are popular choices. Product listings. Organize your products into categories and create detailed product listings. Include high-resolution images and clear descriptions. Payment and shipping. Set up secure payment gateways and reliable shipping options. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as many shoppers use their smartphones for online grocery shopping. Segment 3, Marketing Strategies. Your website is ready, but now you need customers. Effective marketing is the key to success in the online grocery business. Let's explore some marketing strategies. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Run targeted ads and engage with your customers. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website for search engines to rank higher in search results. Use relevant keywords and create valuable content. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters with promotions, new arrivals, and valuable content. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, and infographics related to groceries and health. Establish your website as an authority in the industry. Partnerships and collaborations. Collaborate with local farmers, food producers, or influencers to expand your reach. Segment 4, Managing Operations. As your business grows, you'll need to efficiently manage operations to meet customer expectations. Let's take a look at this crucial aspect. Inventory management. Implement inventory management software to track stock levels and replenish as needed. Customer support. Offer excellent customer service through various channels, chat, email, or phone. Delivery and logistics. Ensure timely deliveries and choose the right logistics partner. Feedback and improvement. Listen to customer feedback and continuously improve your services. Scaling your business. Consider expanding your product range or reaching new geographic areas. Congratulations! You've now learned how to start your very own grocery store website business from scratch. It's a journey filled with exciting opportunities and challenges, but with the right knowledge and dedication, success is within your reach. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more entrepreneurial tips and guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We are here to help you every step of the way. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial adventure. Follow us on social media. Visit our website and call us for additional resources. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.